Good afternoon to all students. Today I discuss about the successive differentiation. The last class also I discuss about the example of successive differentiation, and today I also discuss about the successive differentiation. Means that is the last class we discuss the logarithmic, means that is the log of that sine hyperbolic function and logarithmic function. Okay, today we discuss about the root of. See here, this is our example. Last class we discussed hyperbolic function and the root of x square plus 5x plus 6. Okay, then log of that one also I discussed. Today's class I discussed that is the question is right here. Y is equal to external this one, that is y is equal to log of square root of x square plus 5x plus 6. 5x plus 6. That is first we take the y is equal to log of that square root of, you know that one, that root means that is the 1 by 2, you meaning is there, that is I write here, that is the y is equal to log of, I write here log of, that is x square plus 5x plus 6 is there, means that is the x square plus 3x plus c form is there. Okay, x square plus 3x plus c means you place that one, that is 3 2s are, you know that one, that is the 6 multiplying. Multiplying means 6, then we add and subtract means it is the 5. Okay, that is 3 to the 6. 3 to the 6 or 2 3 the 6. 3 to the 6. Then 3 plus 2. Here I want here plus 5 is there. That's why 3 plus 2 is 5. I write here that is log of square root of this one. That is x plus 2 and into x plus 3. You know that how to find in the quadratic equation, how to solve that quadratic equation. Okay. Next, that log of, that is I write here the root mean it is the 1 by 2 is there. You know that one. What is the root value? X plus 2 into x plus 3 to the power of 1 by 2. Means root is I write 1 by 2 power. Okay. That is next see here, that is log m to the power of n means n log of n. You know that one. I write here 1 by 2. This is the n. Log of this whole term is m. Okay. Log of x plus 2 into x plus 3. Okay. After that you separate this one. Means here log m into log n. You know that one. Log of log m into log n means log m into n means log of m plus log of n. I apply here log m into n. This is the m and this is the n. Log m into n. That is 1 by 2 log of, that is x plus 2 1 is there. Then plus log of, that is x plus 3. That is log of this one. Okay. You know that one? That is the n term. We are finding the n term. That is nth term means that is the yn. This is the y. Okay. We find yn. Nth term. Yn is equal to, you know that one? That is the different capital D of m. Means nth term of this one into, that is 1 by 2. I write that one. 1 by 2 into log of, that is log of x plus 2 plus log of x plus 3. I write here plus log of x plus 3. Okay. The differentiate means we take here the differentiate nth term of separative right here 1 by 2. The constant take outside, which is 1 by 2. Then differentiation of that is log of first one log of x plus 2 plus next I write here only the continuation here no place. That's why I write here that is the plus differentiation of second function. This one that is d to the power of n into that log of x plus 3. Okay, here bracket open and bracket close. Next, you know that one. Last class I discussed what is that formula? Differentiation of mean nth term of log ax plus b mean that is minus 1 to the power of n minus 1 into n minus 1 factorial into a to the power of n divided by ax plus b to the power of n. This is the formula. I explain here that is log of this one x plus 2 is there. I apply that formula that is 1 by 2 1 8 that is 1 by 2 as it is. Then differentiation of this one log is there. That is I write it directly. It is minus 1 to the power of n minus 1 into n minus 1 factorial. This is the formula to the 1 to the power of n. Here 1 is there ax plus b. 1 is there that is 1 to the power of n divided by that is x. What is that one? X plus 2 to the power of n. This is the first term. Okay. Next second term. This is the first term is this one. And this is second term. Second term I write here only. I have no place. I write here. Okay. Plus minus 1 to the power of n minus 1 into n minus 1 factorial into. Here also 1 is there, 1 factorial, that is here also 1, here also 1, means a equal to 1 is there. Okay. To the power divided by x plus 3 to the power of n. Okay. This is second one. Okay. Finally write here. This is your answers. Only once again I explain this one. First we take log of that is the square root of x square plus 5x plus 6. That is the quadratic equation is there. Quadratic equation you split up that one. Means the multiplication 6 then add and subtract is 5. Okay, you know that one. That is the quadratic equation. Means there is 3 to the 6 is there. 3 plus 2 is 5. That's why x plus 2 into x plus 3. Okay. After that multiplication means the again comes this equation only. Okay. Next, after that, the log of this one, then root. We have take the root value, that is one root means that is 1 by 2. Okay. After that, log m to the power of n. This is log m to the power of n means n log of m. N log of this is the m. Okay. Then you go to a next step. It is the log m into n. N into is there. Log m into n means log n plus log n. I apply a log of m plus log of n. After that, the differentiate is there. Nth term finding the nth term means we take here yn. Yn is equal to nth term of this whole equation. Then the whole equation. Then after that, I write here the separately 1 by 2 is there. The constant take outside. Then differentiation of first function and plus differentiation of this one function. Okay. Separate. I write here separately. Then the 1 by 2 as it is. You know that one. The d to the power of n means nth term of that log. Log of ax plus b formula is there. I apply here this is the first one. Next second one log x plus 3 is there. This is the second one. This is the result. Okay, very easy is there. You practice this one. Next method. This is also same. First we discuss hyperbolic. Okay, first class. Means 2 days back I discussed that is the hyperbolic function means sin h square 5x means hyperbolic function. After that we discussed about logarithmic. First one is hyperbolic, second one is logarithmic. Okay, next next problem is the sine means trigonometric function. Trigonometric means it is the sine cos. Okay, you know that one. The formula trigonometric formula is there. Okay, I write here. Find the nth derivative of next question. Find the nth derivative. I write question only. Find the nth derivative. Find the nth derivative. Find the nth derivative. Find the nth derivative of find the nth derivative of 1 minute. Where is that one? Find the nth derivative of I write question sin square that is sin square x plus 3 cos square x. First one I write here sin square x plus 3 cos of that is 5 cos square 5x. This is a question. Find the nth derivative of sin square x plus 3 cos square 5x. Okay. See here, first we take the y. Use one first solution that is the y is equal to once again I write equal sin square x plus 3 cos square of 5x. Okay. First you know that one. The formula is there. That is the trigonometric formula. What is the trigonometric formula? Trigonometric formula is that is the sin square theta. Means that is sin square a. What is the formula is there? Sin square a means 1 minus that is the cos 2a divided by cos 2a divided by 2 sin square a. Then cos square a means that is 1 plus cos 2a. 1 plus cos 2a. You know that one. Already studied in PUC. Sin square a means 1 minus cos 2a divided by 2. Then cos square a means 1 plus cos 2a divided by 2. Okay, I apply this that formula here. Sin square x is there. Okay, we take here x. Okay. Here, then y is equal to that is 1 minus cos of what is that one? 2a is there. Here 2x is there. 2x divided by that is 2. This is the first one. Sin square x. Sin square means we take here sin square x means this one 1 minus cos 2x by 2 plus 3 into. Next is what is the cos square x? Cos square a means 1 plus cos 2a divided by 2. Okay, I write here that is 1 plus cos of that is the 2a is there. Okay, here the 5 is there. 5 into 2 that is 10. I write here directly 10 here. Then x is there. Then x by 2. Okay. Next go to next step. Next simplification. That is 1 by 2. 2 is there. Here 2. Here 2 I take common. That means that is outside. 1 by 2 into. That is 1 minus. I write here 1 minus cos 2x. Okay, plus 3 into 1 that is 3 plus 3 cos 10x. Okay, next step that is 1 by 2 as it is. Then flower bracket that is 3 plus 1. Here 3 is there, 1 is there. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 minus cos 2x plus 3 cos of 10x. Okay. This is the y. We finding what n term means yn. Yn means you know that one. How to first one? You write constant, then n term of. I write directly. 1 minute. 1 by 2, then n term of this 4, then minus n term of separately. I write separately d to the power of this one cos 2x, then plus 3 into constant 3 is there, take outside, then n term of this one. It is cos of 10x. Okay, clear? It is the differentiation of n term of first one, first function. They meet first n element, after that second one and third. Okay, I simplified here. 1 by 2 as it is, yn equal to. Right here, yn is equal to I have this one. Okay, y. That is yn. Yn is equal to 1 by 2. 1 by 2 as it is. Then differentiation of this constant function differentiation is 0. 0 minus here. Differentiation of this one. Cos 2x is there. Okay, you know that one. The differentiation of cos of ax means a to the power of n. Last class also discussed that one. It is cos of ax is equal to a to the power of n into cos of n pi by 2. This is the formula is there. Plus x. Plus x. Remember this one? Cos ax means that is the formula is there. A to the power of n into cos of n pi by 2 plus ax is there. I apply here. In previous example also I use this formula. That is 2 to the power of n into cos of that is n pi by 2. N pi by 2 plus that is 10x. Sorry, 2x is there. N pi by 2 plus 2x is there. Not 10. Next step that is 10 is there. 2x. Next plus I write here only the third one. This one. 3 as it is. Okay. Into 10 to the power of n. Next cos of n pi by 2. Cos of n pi by 2 plus that is the 10x. Here 10x. Okay. I take the flower bracket. Next step, the final step is there. That is 1 by 2 into flower bracket of then this one. I write this one. Y means here positive symbol is there, the negative. That's why I write positive first. 3 into 10 to the power of n into cos of n pi by 2 plus nx. This is the one. Okay. Next one minus of 2 into 2 to the power of n cos of n pi by 2 plus that is 2x. Okay. This is your answer. Only 3 steps is there. First you take that is the sin square x plus 3 cos square x means you know that one sin square a and cos square a formula. After that you apply the formula here. 1 minus cos 2x divided by 2 plus 3 into 1 plus cos 10x by 2. This is the formula there. After that you take the 2 LCM, the 2 is there. I take directly outside. Then that is the 1 by 2 into their cos 1 to x. Then I write this one. After that we multiply this one 3 to inside. Then 3 into 1 is 3 plus 3 cos 10x. Then next step that is 1 by 2 as it is. Then here plus 3 is there, plus 1 is there. That's why plus 4 minus cos 2x. Then 3 cos 10x. Okay. Next, find the n derivative means it is y. Y means we take the constant 1 by 2 outside. Then n term of differentiation of that is the 4. separately. I write separate this one and this one and this one. Then after that the differentiation of constant is 0 is there. 0 minus here 2 is there. That's why minus 2 to the power of n cos n pi by 2 plus 2x is there. Okay, plus that is the next constant 3 is there. 3 into that is the a means here 10 is there. Okay, 10 to the power of n cos n pi by 2 plus 10x. Then finally write here the positive here negative symbol is there. That's why I write first term is positive, after that the negative. Okay, this is your result. This is trigonometric. Okay, this example for trigonometric function. In previous example, that is a logarithmic. Hyperbolic or logarithmic. Then this one is trigonometric. Okay. Next question same is there. This is also a trigonometric. I love this one. Next question. That is the y is equal to sin cube x into cos square x. Sin cube x into cos square x. Observe here, all the students, please. And I give the fourth assignment. That is your second PUC formula is there. All perfect that formula. When you perfect that formula, you will solve this problem. Okay. See here, that is y is equal to that is the sin cube x into cos square x. One trigonometric formula is there. I write here trigonometric formula. What is that one? Sin 3. You know that one. Sin 3. When you know that the sin 3a value means that is the 3 sin a, 3 sin of a, 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube. 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube. We want sin cube. Why means here sin cube x is there. That's why you take sin cube here only. Then after that 3 sin a comes this side. That is 3 sin a minus sin 3a divided by like 4. Okay. This simplification. That is sin 3a. We want sin cube a. Okay. Sin cube a means that is 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube is there. Come to this side means that is a plus 4 only sin cube a. 4 is there. 4 come to here multiply is there. Come to this side means that is a divide. Okay. You know that one. That is 3 sin a minus sin 3. Okay, I apply here 3 sin x minus sin 3x. Then y is equal to that is 3 sin x 3 sin x minus sin 3x divided by that 4. Then this is the first one. Then after that cos square. Cos square, you know that one cos square theta means 1. So what is the that one? Cos square theta equal to 1 plus cos 2. Cos 2 theta is there. That is I apply here 1 plus cos of 2 to the 4. That is the 4x divided by 2. Cos square theta means 1 plus 4x divided by 2 is there. Okay. After that you take that is the 4 is there. Here 2 is there. Okay, 4 to the 8, then y is equal to that is 1 by 8 after I take outside, then remaining is that is the after that you multiply this one, that is 3 into sin x. I write here 3 sin x minus sin 3x, then this one and another one is 1 plus cos 4x. After that you multiply this one, first to second, second to first, second to second. I write here directly, that is 1 by 8 into 3 sin x into 1 is, that is 3 sin x. That is 3 sin x. After that is the 3 sin x, then here second one. Okay, first to second multiplication. Next second to first and second to second multiplication. You know that one. I write here 3 sin x plus 3 cos 4x into sin x. Next, minus. I mean here minus is there. Minus of next sin 3x into 1 is sin 3x. It is sin 3x minus of the second to second cos 4x into it is sin 3x. You observe this one, this step, that is what is that one formula is there? That is cos A sin B minus minus sin A cos B. That is one formula is there. I apply here this one. That is 1 by A as it is. Then 3 sin x. 3 sin x. Sorry, it is the minus of another one is this one. Minus 3 sin x. That is 3 sin x minus of that is minus of sin 3x, then plus this one 3 into that is 3 into 1. I write it directly 1 by 2 into that is A plus B. What is A plus B mean? Here, see here 4 is there and here 1 is there. Here 1 is there and here 4 is there, here 3 is there. Okay. I take this will 3 into 3 as it is. Then what is the formula that one? That is the cos A sin B is equal to, you know that one, cos A, I write here, cos A, then into sin B. Cos A sin B is equal to 1 by 2 into sin of A plus B minus sin of A minus B. Sin of A minus B. Okay, remember this one? Cos A sin B equal to 1 by 2 sin A plus B minus sin of A minus B. I apply here, that is, here 4 is there and 3 is there. Okay, 4 minus 1, that is a 3. I write here, that is 3 to 1 by 2 into sin 5x. Sin of, that is the sin 5x. 4 plus 1, 5. Okay, then A plus B is over. Next, minus 4 minus 1, that is sin of 3x. Here 4 is there, here 1 is there. Okay, here A, this one B. A plus B means that is the 4 plus 1, 5. And 4 minus 1, that is 3. This is first step. Next, minus of second one. Second one I write here, minus of, I write here, minus of 1 by 2. That is the second one. Second say here 4 is there, A equal to 4, B equal to 3. 4 plus 3 is 7. Means I write here directly sin of 7x minus sin of x. Means 4 minus 3 is 1. 1x. 1x means we take here x. Okay. Then simplification. Only simplification is there. Last one. That is the y. I rub this one. Okay. And this much. Next y equal to this one also I have this one. Here no more place. Next this continuation y is equal to 1 by 8 as it is. Next see here that is 1 by 8 into simplification. See here 3 is there, here 2 is there. Sorry, 3 into 1 by 2 means 3 to the 6, 6 plus 3, you know that one. Okay, that is 3 into 1 by 2 means, you how to taking means 3 to the 6, 6 plus 1 is 7, 7 by 2. I write here directly 7 by 2, 7 by 2 sin x, 7 by 2, 7 by 2, that's sin x minus, that is the 5 by 2 sin 3x. Observe this one, last one and that one. Sin 3x plus 3 by 2, that is sin 5x. Each term I write here. Okay, 3 by 2 sin 5x minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 sin 7x. See here, that is minus 1 by 2 sin 7x. I write that one. Okay, this is the y. We want nth term means y. Y is equal to, you know that one. The first you take a constant, that is the d to the power of n, 1 by 8. That is 1 by 8 into nth term. Nth term means you take, it is outside 1 by 8. That is 1 by 8 as it is, then nth derivative. Nth derivative of this one, that is the 7 by 2 into nth term of that sin x. I write separately. Then minus, it is the pi by 2. Then nth term of, it is the sin 3x. The second one, this one. I plus 3 by 2. Add up this one. Okay, next one, I write continue. That is plus 3 by 2 plus 3 by 2 into, sorry, nth term of, that is nth term of which one? Next function, that is sin 5x. Sin 5x minus 1 by 2 nth term of, that is sin 7x. I write here only sin 7x. Okay. Then the simplification, it is only y equal to 1 by 8 as it is. Then nth term of, it is 7 by 2 as it is, constant 7 by 2. You write 7 by 2 as it is. You know that one, sin x. Nth term of sin x means sin n by n means that is n pi by 2 plus x. You know that one. How to write that one? It is the sin of n pi by 2 plus x. Then minus 5 by 2 as it is. Then here sin 3 is there. Means here sin 3 means 3 to the power of n. That is 3 to the power of n into sin of n pi by 2. That is 3x. Okay, next second one. Next here, third one 3 by 2 is there. Add up this one. This continuation, it is a plus. Plus, that is next term one, that is 3 by 2. Next 3 by 2 into, that is the 5 is there, that is 3 by 2 into 5 to the power of n into sin of n pi by 2, and then plus 5x. Okay, after that last one term is, this is the pi by 2 is over, next 3 by 2 is over, next one minus 1 by 2 d to the power of this one, it is minus 1 by 2, 7 is there, that's why 7 to the power of n into sin of n pi by 2 plus 7x. Okay, this is your result. Once again I explain this one. Once again you see here, first you take the y into y value, 1 by 8 constant take outside. After that you take the 7 by 2 8 constant is there, 7 by 2, then differentiation of sin x, differentiation of 3 sin x, then differentiation of nth term of sin 5x, then sin 7x. I write here separately, and constant take outside, 5 by 1, 7 by 2, 5 by 2, 3 by 2 constant, minus 1 by 2 constant. After that the function, that is the sin n pi by 2 plus theta is there, that formula, that sin 1x means, then 1 to the power of n means 1 is there, then sin of n pi by 2 plus x minus pi by 2 as it is, then here 3 is there, that's why 3 to the power of n into sin of n pi by 2 into 3x, sorry, plus 3x, then plus I take here, then continuation here, next step is 3 by 2 is there, 3 by 2 into here 5 is there, that's why 5 to the power of n into sin of n pi by 2 plus 5 by 5x. Next minus 1 last term, that is minus 1 to the minus 1 by 2 into here 7 is there. That's why 7 to the power of n into sin of n pi by 2 plus 7x. This is your result. Okay, this is trigonometry function. Next one, next example, y is equal to sin 5x into cos 3x. This is only 2 step is there. Next one example, I rub this one. Next, y is equal to, next question, y is equal to, that is sin 5x. Sin of 5x, sin 5x into cos 3x. Okay, sin 5x into cos 3x. You know that one? Sin A cos B formula. This is the sin of A. This is sin A cos B. What is the sin A cos B formula? I write here only sin A into cos B. I write here sin A cos B. What is the sin A cos B mean? 1 by 2 sin A plus B plus sin A minus B. Remember this one. 1 by 2 into sin of A plus B. Sin of A plus B plus sin of A minus B. Sin of A minus B. That is 1 by 2. Okay, I take here yn, means nth term, yn is equal to, what is that one? I will get here 1 by 2. 1 by 2. 2 not display here. That is, you remember 1 by 2 as it is 1 by 2 into formula. Sin of A plus B. A means here 5 is there. B means here 3 is there. 5 plus 3 is 8. I write here directly sin 8x. Sin 8x plus sin 2x. Okay. A minus B means 5 minus 3, that is 2. Next, nth term, this is y. Next, y is equal to, you know that one, 1 by 2 as it is, then nth term of this one. That is, what is that one? It is the sin 8x plus sin 2x. Okay, nth term, you separate this one, that is 1 by 2, then nth term of first function, that is the sin 8x plus, then the nth term of then second one, that is sin 2x. Okay, the simplification, lastly right here, that is y is equal to 1 by 2 into Here 8 is there. That means a to the power of 8 to the power of n into sine of already previous problem also same like this one. N pi by 2 into 8x. This is the first one. Plus next 2 is there, means here 2 to the power of n into sine of n pi by 2 plus 2x. This is your answer. Only 2 minutes. This is your answer. Means important is that is the what is the formula of a sin a into cos b. You know that one, sin a into cos b is equal to 1 by 2 into sin a plus b plus sin a minus b. Then you take the y's value, that is the a is there, a means 5, b means 3. 5 plus 3 is 8, 5 minus 3 is 2. I write directly. Then y is equal to next the nth term, differentiation of nth term is that is the 8x. Then sin 2x is there. Separately I write. After that, you know that one, that is 1 by 2 constant as it is. Then here sin a means that 8 is there. 8 to the power of n into sin of n pi by 2 plus 8x plus 2 to the power of n into sin n pi by 2 plus 2x. Okay. This is your example. Next one. I give next one, that is the cos x is there. Next example, this is very important. This is a see here. Next question, this is important. What is that one? Y is equal to. What is the find means your exam in your exam ask that is the find the x derivative of then cos x, cos 5x, cos 7x. I write here y is equal to cos x, cos 5x, then cos 7x. Sorry, cos of 7x. This is your question. First y is equal to cos x into cos 5x into cos 7x we take. After that, the take the cos x as it is, y is equal to cos x I write as it is. Then here cos 5x, cos 7x is there. That's why you apply here cos, that is the cos a cos b formula into cos of 5x into cos of 7x. Means here cos a, here cos b. You know that one? I write here only formula. What is the cos A? Then into cos A into cos B. Cos A into cos B formula. What is cos A cos B? That is 1 by 2. That is the 1 by 2 cos A plus B plus cos A minus B is there. 1 by 2 into cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B. This formula, you apply this formula. I write here y equal to 1 by 2, that formula 1 by 2 I write here. Then into cos of A plus B. A plus B means 5x plus 7x is there. Okay, that is I write directly cos x and it is. Then into that cos 12x. 5 plus 7 is 12. That is cos 12x. Then plus cos of minus means 7 minus pi is 2. That is the minus 2 is there. That is cos 2x. Okay. Next step, that is 1 by 2 into that cos. Multiply this cos to this one. It is the cos 12x into cos x. Cos of 12x into cos x plus cos 2x into cos of 2x into cos x. Means cos x multiplied to both terms. Okay. After that, you know that one. Here cos A, that is 1 by 2 as it is. Then that is the cos 12x into cos x plus cos 2x into cos x is there. Here A into B. Okay. Cos A into B plus cos A into B. I write here 1 by 2 into again apply that one cos A cos B formula. Okay. Means cos A cos B means this is the A means 12, B means 1. Means 12 plus 1 is 13. I write here directly. It is 1 by 2 into this 1 by 2 right here. After that the formula applied here 1 by 2 into cos A plus B. Cos A plus B means 12 plus 1 is that is 13. That is cos 13x plus 12 plus 1 means that is 11. Cos 12 minus 1 means that is the 11 is there 11x. That is cos A into cos B 4. Next here also cos A into cos B. This is A, this is B. 2 plus 1 is 3, 2 minus 1 is 1. Then plus of right here 1 by 2 is there 1 by 2. Okay, 1 by 2 applying both sides. The formula 1 by 2 cos 3x then cos 3x plus cos x. Means here 2 is there, here 1 is there. 2 plus 1 is 3, 2 minus 1 is 1. Okay. Next, applying the end term. You find the end term. This is the y. Okay. We find y to yn. I write 2 lines. This much. Okay. Next simplification. That is y equal to 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Here 1 by 2 is there, 1 by 2 is there. 1 by 2 means 1 by 2, 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, that is 1 by 4. I write here y is equal to 1 by 4 into then n term of this one and this one. I write here n term of which is cos 13x. Cos 13x then plus n term of next one cos 11x. Okay, then plus then n term of next one. Next is cos 3x. That is cos 2x. Cos 3x plus n term of cos 2x. 2x or x, but x only x. Okay, not 2x, that is x. Okay, then flower bracket close. Then finally write here 1 by 4 into differentiation of cos and theta means we write here that cos of here 13 is there. I take 13 means you take here 13 to the power of n. हाँ, 13 to the power of n. I write here that 13 to the power of n into cos of n pi by 2 plus 13. That is the 13 of x. 13 to the power of n into cos of n pi by 2 plus 13x. This is the first one. Then plus. That next one is 11 is there. 11 means we take here 11. 11 to the power of n into cos of n pi by 2 plus 11x. It is second one. Then plus next third one. Here 3 is there. 3 to the power of n. I write here. I write here plus 3 to the power of n into cos of n pi by 2 plus that is 3x. Next one, last one, it is the 1 is there. That's why you write directly cos of n pi by 2 plus cos of I write here n pi by 2 plus that is the x. Okay, this is your answer. See here, first you know that one. What is the cos A cos B formula? That is important. Okay, once again you see this one. First this is important for you. Y is equal to cos x, cos 5x, cos 7x is there, your question. First you take the cos x as it is, then cos 5x and 7x. That is the cos A cos B formula. Apply the cos A cos B mean 1 by 2 cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. Apply that one. That is the 5 minus 7 is, it is 12. Sorry, 5 plus 7 is 5 plus 7 is 12. 5 minus 7 is 2. Then the simplification 1 by 2, 1 by 2 is there. You take 1 by 2 outside. This one. 1 by 2 is there. 1 by 2. 1 by 2, 1 by 2 means after that the common take LCM outside means it is 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. That is 1 by 4. Then the separate right here the n term of this one and this one n term of this one and n term of this one and n term of this one. Okay, I write here separately. This one. Okay. After that, you take 1 by 4 as it is. Then n term of cos 13x means 13 to the power of n cos n pi by 2 plus 13x. Then plus here 11 is there. 11 to the power of n into cos of n pi by 2 plus 11x plus 3. Next 3 is there. 3 to the power of n cos n pi by 2 plus 3x plus last one is cos only 1x is there. That's why cos of n pi by 2 plus x. This is your answer. Okay. Okay. Next one. I will give one homework for you. Y is equal to sin 2x cos 2x. Next, tomorrow class, I will discuss about the exponential and trigonometric. Today's class only we discuss about the trigonometric function. Means sin, cos is there. Okay. In previous class means last class, yesterday class we discussed the logarithmic function. Then hyperbolic function. Today only we discuss the trigonometric function. The second one is that is the sin. I will give one example for you. Only one step. This is the what is the example? That is homework for you. Y is equal to, I give directly y is equal to sin 2x cos 2x. Sin 2x cos 2x. This is example. You know sin 2a formula. I give hint sin 2a. Sin 2a means it is 2 sin a into cos a. You know that one. 2 sin a. 2 sin a. 2 sin a into cos a. Okay. This formula is there. 2 sin a into cos a is there. Okay. You apply that one. First you simplify that one. Okay. I do here only y is equal to. First you take sin 2x cos 2x is there. Okay. You apply sin 2a. What is the sin 2a formula? 2 sin a into cos a. First you simplify this one. After that y is equal to, you write this one. Y nth term. It is homework for you. Okay. Thank you. Thank you for all.